I supposed to pass her?
Yeah, you're supposed to use them arms.
No, you're not supposed to pass her.
I thought you were.
But you weren't.
Okay, well, follow her. Whatever. Doesn't matter. Use your arms more. It's on the arms.
No, I think it's got to go up and down.
Make it go up and down then. Oh, you're going fast.
Oh.
Oh.
I zoomed in on Dad's boob. Got that on boob.
Oh no, they're passing you.
Oh shoot, Dad, check me out. Uh-huh.
Do circles.
Look at me, I'm flying.
Maybe turn.
Don't fall now.
Yeah, don't trip over her.
Oh, you're slowing.
Come on, Dad, keep up.
Don't trip on no puppies.
Faster, faster.